Hi all, I'm Ankur Gupta. Hope all of you are doing well and welcome to Analytics School. Today we are going to discuss about data analysis with Python course and how this course is going to help you to become a proficient data analyst. But before that, we should discuss about the role of data analysis and why it is so important in the organization. Today's customer is more cynical and fickle than ever before, and more so issues like rapidly changing markets, economic uncertainties, and even pandemics. Business today are working with slimmer margin of error. Companies that want not only to stay in the business but also thrive can improve their odds of success by making smart choices. And how does an organization make these choices? They do it by collecting as much useful, actionable information as possible, then using it to make better informed decisions. And that is where the role of data analysis comes in. Data analysis is the process of understanding the problem statement, then gathering and cleaning the data, wrangling and extracting actionable insights, relevant information that helps businesses make informed decisions. Now, this whole process helps reduce the risk inherent in decision making by providing useful insights, often presented in form of presentations or by building dashboards. In this course, you will learn about the set of tools, libraries, and packages that comprise the highly popular and practical Python data analysis ecosystem. You will also learn how to wrangle the data for analysis. We will also learn simple statistical analysis and how to storytell your data by using data visualization to stakeholders. And we will also be doing some case studies where we will be following all the steps and learn how one should approach a particular problem statement and provide insight to the stakeholders. We are going to learn certain Python packages. For data wrangling and basic statistics, we will be focusing mainly on pandas and little bit of numpy and scipy. For data visualization, we will focus on matplotlib and seaborn. And then there are certain EDA packages which will focus on, for example, pandas profiling, which will help you to do exploratory data analysis a bit faster. And they also give you a very nice report. This particular course will help you to grow your Python skills and begin your journey to become a successful data analyst. Thank you so much. See you next time.